In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a project in Asana. If you're new to Asana or you've been using it for a while, you'll find this guide helpful for when you need to take your project data outside of the Asana platform. Whether you're doing this for analysis, sharing, or backup purposes, this will be a straightforward task to accomplish. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to the Asana website, which is www.asana.com. Once there, look for the login button and click on it to access your dashboard. Now, for those of you who might not have an account just yet, you'll see options like get started or try for free. You would go through that process to set up your account, but let's assume you already have access for now. Next, once you're logged into your dashboard, you'll want to go directly to the project that you wish to export. This involves navigating through your main interface to select the project in question. Take a moment to make sure that you're in the correct project, especially if you manage multiple projects, as this will ensure you're exporting the right data. Once you're in the specific project view, your next task is to find the project actions menu. In this view, you'll notice a drop-down arrow in the upper right corner of the screen right beside the project name. This drop-down menu is labeled as more options. Clicking here will reveal several actions you can take within the project. From the list that appears, look for something labeled sync/export and select it. This option is what links you to the formats in which you can export your data. It's crucial here to choose the format that's best suited to your needs. When it comes to export formats, Asana offers a few choices. Firstly, there's CSV, which is great if you're planning to work with your data in Excel or Google Sheets. If you're a developer or you need to integrate this data with another platform, JSON might be the route to go. It's a bit more advanced but highly functional. Lastly, if you simply need a tangible record, choose the print option for a hard copy of the project. After selecting your preferred export format, the file will typically either be directly downloaded to your computer or Asana will prepare the file for you to download. If it's not instant, be a little patient while Asana works its magic. And there you have it. Exporting from Asana can be that simple, making it easy to manage and manipulate your project data outside of the app. If you encountered any issues along the way, double check each step to ensure everything was followed correctly. Remember, having your data at your fingertips in the format that best suits you can greatly enhance both personal productivity and team collaboration. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below.